Paso number 3 again, number 29 again. Segura.
Sorry, na-post na ako guys. So,
First throw. No good.
Score 15, 22, 27 against License. For the third quarter.
Shout out kang Paulo Barrera, nasa sa akong likod. Number 27, pass to number 5, Chazo with a jab, taking his time. Pinasa nga number 27, number 27 for 2. No good, Shorty, number 9, rebound, out of bounds. Number 5, pass to number 10 to number 9. Number 9 with a jab, Bongo Barrera, 2 points.
Score 16-29. Defense Japon.
Substitution rep. Three-pointer. Segura dribble the ball. Segura looking for his teammates. Pass to Rivera. Rivera dribble the ball. Rivera pass to Sarrona. Pumasok na, lumabas pa. Foul. Barney, pass to Segura. Pass to first throw, no good. Last throw. Good for 1 point. Number 9, doing a ball in a second, nakuha rin ni Rivera. Rivera with a shot for 2 points. What a move by Mr. Rivera. Number 27. Number 27, pass to number 2 sa gitna. Nakuha na naman yung ball. Pass to Rivera. Rivera, 2 points. May Jollibee sa akin. Number 5, pass to number 10. Rock 5. And up to Innocence. Andres, giving the ball, pass to number 5. Number 5 to Andres, tumingin Andres! Number 77, Rivera dribbling the ball. Almost as 2. Rivera and Patoria. Number 5, pass to number 6, Mr. Andres. Pass to number 11, Patoria. Patoria with the ball. Last 15 in the shoot. Mr. Patoria, pass to number 15 sa corner. Number 14, pass to Unida, number 11. Number 11, Unida, to go. Pass to number 14, Murachad. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 5. Ipinasa sa kabila ni Andres. Sarrona, gulong na boss. Sarrona umigot. Pinasa ka na Unida. Pass to Teixeira sa ilalim. Lumalaban yung idol mo. Mr. Number 5, pass to Pantoria. Pantoria yung the ball, taking his time. Pantoria baru by Sarrona. Foul out to PCT. know. Number 5. Sarana was to Manita. Manita back to Sarana. Sarana with a drive. Wow! You saw what? That is your first personal foul. First throw for Mr. Sarana. No good.
Chick, no aja Chick. Chick, masa mau ba? Lupa juga ke Chick ba?
Number 14 for the 3-point play. Lumabas. Rebound. Pass to Mr. Andres. Pass to Duazan. Curry dengan pass to Andres again. Pass to Pantorilla. 10 to shoot. Pantorilla with a fit. Jamming violation. Mag-impake ka na para. Number 77, pass to number 11, number 11, block by Mr. number 2. Bermira, out of bounds. Number 14, represented by Segura Gaia. Cannon foul.
Score guys, 27-41.
Segura for the 3-point play.
Last 2 minutes.
Good. Segura, substitution rate. Number 5, pass to Andres. Andres, pass to number 23 sa kabila lagi. Mr. Number 14, pass to Sarana. Sarana, pass to number 14 again with a drive. Very good. Nakuha na Segura for 2 points.
Almost 11 lead na lang guys.
Number 6, Andres. Pass to number 5, Paso. Number 5, steal! By Mr. Riveral. Riveral giving the ball. Riveral, pass to number 14. Number 14, pass to Segura. Last.
Abel!
Jamming violation.
Okay guys, score 30-41. Nolan Japon, last 1 minute and 18.
Tuazan,
Quarter.
giving the ball. Mr. Tuazan, pass to number 6, Andres. Andres, pass to number 23. Back to Tuazan. Tuazan to 2. Then the one out there. Block by Mr. Lida. Now we're going to Pantorilla. So 2 more still to come in. Rebound by number 14. Lida. Number 14, pass to out of bounds. Last 55 seconds for third quarter. Mr. Pantorilla giving the ball. Pantorilla drive. Kick out to Tuazan, number 5. Short. Nakuha ni Pantorilla again for 2 points. Last 30 seconds for third quarter. Mr. Mendita with a drive. No good. Rebound by number 14. 2 points. Last 20 seconds. Pantorilla giving the ball. Pass to number 23. Number 23 back to Pantorilla. Last 15 seconds. Pantorilla kick out to number 6. Andres. corner.